Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate actions. Check Settings General Software Update and install the latest iOS. Once done, go to Settings Privacy Location Services and make sure Location Services are on and Maps is set to while using the app. This gives accurate, low-power positioning. Now toggle Network. Enable airplane mode for 5 seconds, then disable it to refresh cellular and Wi-Fi. This often fixes transient map tile and routing failures quickly. Next, refresh app state and permissions. Force quit Maps by swiping it up from the app switcher, then reopen and perform a fresh search. This clears temporary cache. If problems persist, reset location and privacy in Settings General Transfer or Reset. This restores permissions and can correct bad location tokens. Once reset, reopen Maps and allow permissions when prompted. If map data or recent searches still act stuck, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to resync Maps data. Finish with app reinstall and network reset. If Maps remains faulty, press and hold the Maps icon, delete the app, then reinstall from the App Store to replace corrupt files. After reinstall, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset Network Settings to clear DNS and VPN leftovers. Reconnect Wi-Fi and test. If routing still fails, contact Apple support or run diagnostics via Settings Privacy and Security. They can pull logs. Troubleshooting tip. If Maps tiles are blank, check VPN or custom DNS and disable them first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.